Hey guys, it's Phil. Today we're going to unbox the MagSafe Charger. I already have one of these. Really like these. I just needed one for back here on my desk. So, like most Apple products, just that quick little peel tab. Peel it out. Inside comes out. Just safety warnings. Regulations for FCC, warranty. It has a 1-year warranty like most Apple accessories. So there's that. Slide all that over to the side. Then inside, you have the whole designed by Apple. Let's focus on this. Designed by Apple. Open it up. You have the MagSafe port over here on this side. Sorry, I'm trying to fix the camera. So the MagSafe port here. This just pops off. Out. Oops, I'm sorry. It slides. I forgot. These pull out just like most of the cords now. And then this just pops off too. And then from there, anytime you need to charge anything, it just kind of pops into place, stays on. I think it's super strong, to be honest. Could it be a little bit stronger? Yeah. But for what it is, it's not bad. Anytime I'm cooking or whatever, I'm able to take my phone and just put it on my fridge and cook and watch YouTube and whatnot. So this is my preferred way of charging. On the back of the Apple box here, obviously we all know they don't come with chargers anymore. It wants you to use the 20-watt brick. I was able to pick up an Anchor one that had 2 slots. I'm able to charge my MacBook Pro, my new MacBook Air M1 and my phone at the same time. No problems. Fast charging, everything. It's a 65 watt. It's able to split it. It's also able to, with my MacBook or my iPad Pro, it's able to assort the right amount of power to it to charge it. So that's what I'll have it hooked up, and it'll just sit here on my desk. Desk tour, camera bag, setup, all that stuff that's coming at a later time. But if you've been kind of on the fence about these, I highly recommend these.